Hey everyone, Jyoti Jain. Am I audible? Am I audible to all of you? Just to let me know. Vasist, good evening, Pandu. Okay. Welcome, Vanakkam, Suswagatam. Kids, just to let me know first of all, can you hear me? Can you see me? Am I perfectly audible as well as visible to all of you? If yes, if your answer is yes, I want to see green hearts in the chat section so that today my focus will be on these things. I will let you know. Before I start, I want to see green hearts along with fire. Let me see the chat section. Once, if I'm perfectly audible as well as visible, yes, let me see the green hearts. That is the indication that your Baba HSP is clearly audible as well as visible. Yes, I can see the green hearts. My dear students, let me see the chat also, what you're writing. Naga Jyoti, welcome. Jyoti Jain, Dr. Rahul Pandey, hello, big fan. Yeah, thank you. That's so nice of you. But first of all, write down, you can clearly hear me, can see me. Shan Mukha, very good evening, kids. Everyone show me some fire along with green hearts. I want to see that. Pavitra. Yes, kids, everyone just to let me know. Can you hear me? Can you see me? That's really fantastic. Okay, now, once, let me see what happened. It's gone. What happened to the board? Just a second, kids, just a second. I can't understand what happened to the board. Wait just a second, kids, just a second. Just a second, kids, right? Board is playing with me. All the slides, they have gone. Where they have gone, I don't know. Just wait for a second. It will take 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, kids. So, how's your studies are going on? Let the board get started. Till that time, just to let me know, everyone, how your studies are going on. Everyone, today, what I'm going to tell you first at the starting, where it was written on the right hand side, there, if you see the first chapter, haloalkanes and haloarenes, everyone is confused of whether the reaction will be SN2, SN1, E1, E2, or whether the parallel reactions are taking place. That means SN2 as well as E2 simultaneously. Sometimes they are taking place, sometimes only SN2 takes place. How many of you are always having such type of problem? If you are having such type of problem, show me fire in the chat section. If that is your problem, kids, if that's being your problem, show me green hearts, kids, along with fire. I want to see some fire in the chat section if that's your problem. Let me check it out. If that is your problem, oh, Shanmukha, that's really fantastic, really fantastic. If how many of you are feeling that problem, just to let me know in the chat section. If this is your problem, that many times you are unable to understand by simply seeing the reaction, whether SN2 will take place, E2 will take place, or SN2 and E2 both will take place, or only sometimes elimination will take place. Today I will rectify that problem. you will become perfect. My first target is to make you perfect in that by simply seeing the reaction, you can find out, everyone you can find out what type of reaction will take place. So this confidence I will give you just within fraction of, not seconds. I will take 10 minutes. I will tell you one scientific story. That scientific story, with the help of that scientific story, everyone will be able to understand what type of reaction it will show. And then I will let you know the reasons also. But without knowing the reason, whatever people are studying for 2 months, and then also they are not able to understand, they are not able to give the proper answer, that it's my promise that everyone will give the correct answer just in 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I will tell you that scientific story. Now, how many of you want to know that scientific story? Show me mixed green hearts and fire. If you really want to understand that scientific story, just in 10 minutes, everyone, that's my promise, everyone will be able to give the correct answer, and that you will see on the board, that you can see in the chat section that everyone is giving the same answer. Let me see your chats. Mixed fire along with green hearts will indicate that yes, everyone is ready to understand that. Oh yeah, yes, that's really fantastic. That's really fantastic. Now, the board is here, and whatever I have written, that's gone. I have to write down once again. What happened to the board, I can't understand. So I have to write down once again, kids. So will you give me few seconds? So let me write down what I'm going to teach, kids. Let me write down once again. Okay. So in the starting, what's my target? What's my target, kids? In the starting, my target is to tell you what type of reaction will be shown. That's my target, kids. Do you remember the target? Race between the first thing, SN2, SN1, E2, E1. How to find out what type of reaction will be shown. How to find out type of reaction shown by alkyl halide. With the help of this, how many chapters will get completed? With the help of this, haloalkanes, haloarenes chapter will get completed, ether will get completed, alkene will get completed. So 3 chapters definitely will get completed within 10 minutes. So everyone ready? I want to see some fire. Speedily, I'm going to tell you this scientific story. Is everyone ready for the scientific story? Just to let me know in the chat section that scientific story. In the scientific story, there is type of doctors. Scientific story. Baba is going to tell you the scientific story. Is everyone ready for the scientific story? This scientific story will give you the confidence of 2 months. Think will get completed just in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. But For this, I want your support. I want to see your energy level. I want to see, oh my God, kids are loving. Kids are loving. See, earlier there was problem of sound. Voice problem was there, but this time there's no problem and everyone is ready. I can see in the chat section that everyone is ready for this. Okay. I'm making promise. This is Baba HSP's promise that everyone will give the same answer. See, story is going to begin. Story is going to get started. In this movie, there are type of doctors. Type of doctors, that means RX, where X can be chloride, can be bromide, can be iodide, but should not be fluoride. Now, types of doctors. Remember, the first doctor is 1 degree alkyl halide. Rx is 1 degree. 1 degree. For example, if I write down CH3, CH2X, what is the degree? 1 degree. 1 degree doctor. Second doctor. This doctor is also having 1 degree, but it's different from this doctor. Let me show you. This 1 degree doctor is different from this doctor. See, CH2 double bond CH, CH2X. This is also having 1 degree. What? Its name is allyl halide. Remember that, allyl halide. The adjacent carbon is olefinic, and on the olefinic this is sp3, so this is known as what? Everyone say allyl halide. This is known as allyl halide. And one more is there, benzyl halide. Remember that, benzyl halide. These are also 1 degree doctors. Benzyl halide. Its name is benzyl halide. All they are being 1 degree. All of them are being 1 degree. But remember, these are special 1 degree doctors. These are being special type of 1 degree doctors. I will tell you why these I'm saying they are a special 1 degree doctor. Why they are being special? So it's not coming. Oh, you can see it's okay. 1 degree special doctors. Now see, I'm going to draw 2 degree doctors. 2 degree doctors. Isopropyl halide, CH3, CHX, CH3. How will you find out its degree is 2? How will you find out? The carbon which is attached to halogen, the carbon which is attached to halogen is attached with 2 more alkyl groups. So you can find out. You have to find out what is the degree of doctor. I'm using the word doctor in place of alkyl halide so that to give you confidence. Okay. Now see 3 degree alkyl halide. 3 degree. What is the degree? 3 degree. How to find out the degree? CH3, CH3, CH3X. I will not use the word of haloalkanes because right now I am telling you the story, scientific story that will give you full marks, right? Agreed? Everyone agreed? Now see, how to find out, how to check the degree. The carbon which is attached to halogen is further attached with 3 carbons, so 3 degree, right? This much is clear. 1 degree, normal 1 degree, allyl and benzyl 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. Now let's see type of patients. Are you ready? Type of patients. Before I write type of patients, you have to tell me that whenever you are going to see the doctors, will you recognize how many degree doctors? Now the type of patients, that is types of reactions. SN2, E2. What's common in between these 2 types of patients? The common feature is that whatever they do very speedily. Speedily means single step reaction. They want to prefer single, means they want to get medicated very speedily, just in one step. Speed medication. They are in need of speed medication. That means I can write single step reaction, fast reaction, elementary reaction, single step process. Now there are two more types of patients. What their name? It's SN1 and E1. These are a little bit complex one, and they want slow medication. Slow medication means complex reaction. Slow medication so complex reaction, multi-step reaction. Is this much clear? Four types of patients. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 types means of doctors. 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. Let me check it out in the chat section. This much is clear. If it is clear, show me green hearts. Then only you can understand the story. If this much is clear, then do let me know in the chat section that yes sir, this much is clear. Notes I will share in the Telegram channel, kids. Everyone just to let me know. Will you be able to find out what type of alkyl halides and what type of reaction? Yeah, thank you, counting stars. Okay, now only one thing is there. Now the third thing is management. Okay, Medic IS is asking. Okay, let me tell you. See, Medic IS, it's over here. I'm writing the carbon which is attached to halogen. If it is attached with, this carbon is attached with one carbon, then it is 1 degree. Carbon which is attached with halogen, if it is attached with one carbon, 1 degree. Carbon which is attached with halogen, attached with one carbon, 1 degree. The carbon which is attached with halogen, this carbon attached with halogen, it is further attached with 2 more carbons. Can you see 2 more carbons? So 2 degree. The carbon which is attached with halogen is further attached with 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbons. So this carbon is further attached with 3 carbons, so its degree is 3. Will you be able to remember 1 degree alkyl halide, 2 degree alkyl halide and 3 degree? Everyone just do let me know. I want to see in the chat section. Everyone do let me know that will you be able to find out the degree of alkyl halides? Everyone just do let me know in the chat section. Write down, then only you can find out the type of reaction, kids. Do let me know in the chat section. Will you be able to find out the type of reaction, kids? Then I will show you the magic. Today magic is going to happen, kids, and you can show this magic to anyone, whether teachers, students, to anyone. Today you are going to become, yes, god of chemistry. Now the management. See the type of management. Management is of 2 types. Nucleophile oblique base. One management is being strong. Another management is weak or poor. How many types of managements I have written? How many types of managements? One is being strong management, another one is weak or poor management. But how will you find out which one is strong management and which one is weak or poor management? How will you find it out? See, Whenever it is written like this, whenever it's written like this, RONA, RONA, sodium alkoxide, or ROK, potassium alkoxide, RONA, ROK. Whenever it is written like this, it always means being a strong base or a strong nucleophile. It's the indication for strong. How will you find out this is poor or weak? Now see, poor or weak, the indication is if it is written like ROH or HOH, alcohol or water, it is written as alcohol or water. They are indication of poor or weak. Now this much is clear. Will you be able to find out strong? That means ionic bond. If ionic bond is there, that is indication of strong. If covalent bond is there, that is indication of poor or weak. Covalent bond, it's weak, it's poor. Weak, it's poor. Right? Poor or weak. Now ionic bond means strong. This much is clear. Now I will show you which alkyl halide wants to give what type of reaction. I am going to draw the arrow, but before drawing the arrow, till now it's clear to all of you. Before I draw the arrow, till now is it clear to each and everyone? Write down in the chat section. Everyone, your HSP is asking kids, because once this much is clear, once the arrows are drawn, you will not be able to understand anything, kids. Call your friends, today magic is going to happen. Everyone, I want to see 100 likes before I draw the arrows. Everyone, smash the like button. I want to see 100 likes before I tell you, kids. Everyone, smash the like button. Everyone is smash the like button. Very good. Okay. Now see the arrows. The 1 degree alkyl halide, all 1 degree alkyl halide, they want, which color should I draw the arrow? I will draw the arrow with this color. Which color? Maroon color, right? This 1 degree alkyl halide wants to get treatment with SN2. This also wants to get treatment with SN2. This also wants to get treatment with SN2. All these 1 degree, they want to get treatment with 1 degree. Okay. Okay, can you see? All these, they want to get treatment with SN2. And SN2 also wants, SN2 also is in need of that they should, SN2 should do the treatment. Means this patient also wants to do treatment with this. So all 1 degree alkyl halide, they want to do SN2 reaction. Okay. Now let me draw arrow for these three. These three, with which color should I draw the arrow? Let me see this color. Which color? Let me choose this color is good. They all three, they want E2, they all want 3 degree. They all want 3 degree. E2, SN1, E1, they all want to react with 3 degree alkyl halide. And 3 degree alkyl halide also want to go to show reaction these three. Now, the director of the movie, he's saying, oh no. One alkyl halide cannot show more than 2 type of reactions. If this alkyl halide is wanting to show these 3 type of reaction, it cannot show more than 2 type of reaction at the same time. Then who will decide? Then this management, means nucleophile / base, will decide. No alkyl halide can show more than 2 type of reactions. Now, these are their likings. Now, nobody is liking 2 degree alkyl halide. Just see, SN2 is liked by all these 3. These 3 are liked by this. No one is liking 2 degree. Should I tell you now 2 degree will be liked by whom? Are you ready? But before that, if till now it is clear, I want to see fire in the chat section. If I see fire, that means till now it's clear to all of you. I'm sitting in the front of chat. Let me see the fire in the chat section. Then only I will go ahead. Then only I will move ahead. Because likings, which alkyl halide want to show what type of reaction, if this is once clear, then I can tell you kids, this is going to happen magic today. Really kids, today you will see the magic. Today you will see the magic. I will show you the magic. You are right. 10 minutes got converted into 30 minutes because you are far away from me, kids. Lovely kids. If you would have been seated in front of me, then definitely it would have taken 10 minutes only, kids. I'm taking care of each and everyone. You are my kids now. So who will take care of you, kids? Only your Baba HSP now. Now, all four will show equal tendency for 2 degree, but broken tendency. See, broken hearts, like broken hearts, they all will show equal tendency, but what type of, which color should I use? I don't know. I will take this blue color. Okay, they all are liking, they all are having equal liking for 2 degree, but broken one. So now the management is saying, oh, you are liked by all 4. You are liked by all 4. What is this? You are liked by all 4, but everyone is having broken tendency for you. Can you see? This 2 degree alkyl halide is liked by all 4 type of reactions, but broken tendency, right? So who will decide what type of reaction this 2 degree alkyl halide will show? The nucleophile / base, this management will decide. Okay, so what was the story? I have told you, now it's got completed, done and dusted. Now you can answer the questions, but let me summarize. These are doctors, these are patients, these are the likings, this is the management. Management is saying if somebody is liking more than 2, no one can show more than 2 type of reactions, maximum 2 type of reactions. But management will come into the role once they are not able to decide. Are you ready? I have drawn. Take the screenshot and keep it with yourself there so that you can do all the questions. Take the screenshot. Thank you, Real Winter. Now everyone is going to give the correct answer, kids. Have a faith on your Baba HSP. I will show you. But take the screenshot. Once you have taken screenshot, show me green heart so that I can start giving you questions. Once if you have taken the screenshot, show me green heart so that I can start giving you questions. Everyone. Everyone, fast, fast, fast. Now see, kids. Now, see, everyone, I want to see your answer in the chat, okay? Once if you are able to understand, see, kids. See. First question on front of screen. First question. Just see. Question number 1. What is the degree of this alkyl halide? Do let me know in the chat section. Fast, fast. What is the degree of this alkyl halide? Everyone. What is the degree of this alkyl halide? Everyone. Fast, kids, fast. I want to see that you are able to understand or not. 1 degree. 1 degree want to undergo SN2. What is this? Strong or weak? Strong or weak? It want to show SN2. This want to show SN2. See, 1 degree alkyl halide is loving SN2. It's loving SN2. Now SN2, for SN2, what should be the type of management? SN2 and E2. The management is loving these two. This management wants to say this reaction, and this management is interested for this type of reaction. So management is also saying yes, go for SN2. So only SN2. Only SN2, right or not? And SN2 means nucleophilic substitution, bimolecular nucleophilic substitution, and it will form ether. Ether formation. And kids, if you know, then this is known as Williamson synthesis of ether. This is known as, if you know, known as Williamson's synthesis of ether. And Williamson said, if you want to prepare the best of ether, if you want to get best yield of ether, always take 1 degree alkyl halide and sodium or potassium alkoxide. If you remember, kids, do let me know in the chat section. Without knowing the name, you have gone through Williamson synthesis of ether and you are able to answer it. The best yield of ether, best ether you will get by this reaction. Got it? Now second one, I'm going to show you second one. See, kids. Second. CH3, CH2, Cl. What is the degree? Quick. What is the degree? C2H5OH. Now see, the degree of this alkyl halide is 1 degree. Primary halide degree is 1. Primary halide, alkyl halide, 1 degree. And 1 degree want to show SN2. It is loving SN2 but management is loving. Management, just see, management is loving HOH, alcohol. Alcohol is loving SN1 and E1. So management is saying, hey, you do SN1 and E1. SN1 and E1. Now see, they are sync. He is saying, this one is saying, I want to show SN2, and they are saying SN1 E1. So there is no sync. So no reaction, or very, very negligible reaction, poor yield. And that's why Williamson's never said with this alkyl halide take alcohol. He said with alkyl halide take sodium or potassium salt of alkoxide. Am I right, kids? First of all, do let me know why Williamson said this. If you are able to understand, Baba HSP, if you are able to get it, why Williamson said never take alcohol with 1 degree. That's why, because they are not in sync. Its love is for SN2 and their love is like this. So reaction cross. How many of you got it? First of all, do let me know. Then I will show you the next one. Thank you, Jyoti Jain. Thank you. And do let me know. Then I will tell you the third reaction, kids. If you're really loving it, at least show some love and smash the like button, kids. If you're really loving it, if you're really liking it, kids. Shubham, thank you. Thank you. Shubham, thank you. Now, the third reaction. I'm going to deal with the third reaction, right? Everyone just see the third reaction. Ready? Let's see. CH3, CH3, Cl, isopropyl chloride. Its name is isopropyl chloride. What is the degree, kids? Do let me know what's the degree. If you are not able to understand the degree, you won't be able to do anything. Do let me know fast in the chat section. What is the degree? 2 degree. Very good. 2 degree. Secondary alkyl halide. Simultaneously, do let me know, secondary alkyl halide wants to show what type of reaction. It's being 2 degree. And 2 degree alkyl halide want to show what type of reaction. If you see, if you don't know, 2 degree alkyl halide, 2 degree alkyl halide wants to show what type of reaction. Write down in the chat section if you are really able to understand. Let me check it out in the chat section. 2 degree alkyl halide, all 4. Very good. Medico IS, all 4. It want to show all 4. It want to show all 4 SN2, E2, SN1, E1. It want to show all 4. But management says, hey, it's looking idiyappam muruku. You can't show more than 2 type of reactions. Now who will decide? Cooperate with me. Write down in the chat section if you are able to understand what I'm talking about. Now management will say that you cannot show all 4 type of reactions. So management is what type? The management is like this: C2H5. Okay. This is strong nucleophile oblique base or poor weak. Just see. Strong one or poor one. It's fast in kids. Do let me know fast, speedily. Let me check it out. Speedily, kids. Speedily. Write down speedily. So it's being its wing is strong. Its wing is strong. Nucleophile oblique base. So it will say, hey, I want to say that I will prefer for SN2E2, SN2NE2. So what is common? Common is SN2E2. So these will get crossed and the reaction will be SN2 plus E2. E2 is major, that I will teach you later on, and that is minor, but both 2-degree alkyl halide will show both type of reaction. SN2 will give ether and E2 will give alkene. E2 will form alkene. This will form, SN2 will form ether. So ether and alkene both will get formed, but major will be E2. So alkene will be major and ether will be minor. Now you must be thinking, sir, my teacher taught me that whenever temperature is there, then only alkene is getting formed. No, my dear student, temperature increases the yield of ether. Whatever the ether is there, suppose if I say 60% is the alkene, 60% now alkene and 40% is ether. Now if you increase the temperature, then more than 60% alkene will get formed. Temperature never says what type of reaction will take place and what will be major. Whatever is major or minor, temperature increases the alkene formation. Are you getting my point? This point is clear. The whole page is clear. If yes, I want to see in the chat section that it's clear. Everyone, very good, very good. Now see, let me tell you fourth reaction, my dear friends. Let's see the fourth reaction. See, now I will not write anything. I am not going to write anything. You have to answer each and everything. I'm not going to write what is the degree of this, what type of nucleophile it is, nothing I will write. Now I will sit in front of chat. You have to tell me what type of reaction or what types of reaction it will show. I'm sitting in front of screen. Do let me know. Thank you, Sahana. Thank you. I will not write anything, kids. Tell me what type. Oh my God. Varshit. Puram Govinda. Oh ho ho. Yay. Gautam. Yes. Wow. I'm feeling wow, kids. Wow feeling is coming to me. Wow, kids. Really awesome. Really, you are doing great job. Great job. Now see. This is 2-degree alkyl halide. This is 2-degree alkyl halide. This is weak. Now this 2-degree alkyl halide want to show, SN2, E2, SN1, E1, all four, tendency for all four, but this is weak. This says SN1, E1. So SN1, E1 is common. So these two will not be shown. So SN1 and E1 both will be the product, SN1 and E1. Now kids, how many of you got the correct answer? If your answer is being correct, show me green hearts. If wrong, show me fire. SN1 and E1 both parallel reactions. Now show me green hearts or fire in the chat section so that I can understand how many of you got the correct answer and how many Yeah, real mentor, I will tell you each and everything. But everyone, just do let me know, is it clear? Till now, is it clear to each and every one of you kids? Do let me know. Very good. Before I move ahead, kids, 100 likes are, yeah. Before I move ahead, let me show you something, kids, so that I will tell you more reactions. Before telling you more reactions, let me tell you, kids, everyone, it's your duty. If you're really enjoying these lectures, it's your real duty to help your friends, relatives, everyone. You know that sharing is caring. If you're sharing it to others, Almighty God is really going to help you. So, unbox it. Price hike soon. Kids, today is the last day. You can help yourself also, kids. The best offer. Say flat 60% off plus 2 months extension on NEET UG subscription. Offer ends tonight. Now, my dear students, you will get freedom to study with any teacher. The NEET UG subscription for 15 months is available just for 4,500. 1 rupee less even, 4,499 if you use the code HSP10. What code you are supposed to use, kids? You have to use which code? HSP10. Will you help yourself and others, kids? This is the code. It's really, kids, the thing which is available for 2.5 lakh rupees. If you go for offline, 1 lakh, more than 2 lakhs, that is available just for rupees 4,499, means 4.5 thousand. Now, this is, see what I'm saying, plus subscription. If you pay attention to this plus subscription, what I've told you, kids, just 4,499. Iconic 14,999, huge discount, kids, huge discount. Now see, plus iconic VIP features you can see, kids. Now 10 free mock test before actual exam, kids, and you can see Wasim sir is there. Thalaiva Wasim, the best guru. Yeah, my dear students, you know Wasim sir very well. Unacademy, join NCERT Crux test series for NEET UG 2025, and I'm once again tell you, enroll now just for rupees 799. Now this you know very well, 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 and the team, Avengers team, and you can study just, if you are really, if you want to study in English, pure English, then this is the only batch. Myself, this is your Baba HSP, Yava sir, best guru for physics, Thalaiva, your Wasim sir, the best teacher for chemistry, and Ambika ma'am, the best guru for bio. And my dear students, you can join Nimbus for class 11th, Nexus for class 12th, and Phoenix batch, Dreamer droppers, and you have to apply. Once again, let me tell you the code HSP10, HSP10, kids. Will you help everyone? If you apply this code, you can get enrolled. Now, let me come back, kids. This is the whole team. You can see, you can switch over, you can study with any teacher, kids, any teacher. You can join any batch, same price, 4,499. You can switch, even you can tell your friends also, they can switch Hindi, English, pure English. Everything is available. The whole freedom is available, kids. Now, this is the pure Hindi batch. You can help your pure Hindi batch students. This is English batch, and Unacademy rankers rewards for toppers in NEET UG 2025. My God, how many zeros are there? Even I cannot count. My God. Wow, wow, wow. Let me come back, kids. Have you seen so many things are available, kids? Will you help yourself, others? Do let me know. Now I'm going to come to the fifth reaction. But before coming to the fifth reaction, I want to tell you, because you saw that 2-degree alkyl halide, and in front of 2-degree alkyl halide, if there is strong base, substitution and elimination. If there is weak or poor base, substitution and elimination. From these two reactions, the third and fourth reaction, what knowledge you can gain. I will write down in English what knowledge you got. So, sir, I have got this knowledge that secondary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides what I will write, kids? Do let me know. Any guesses? Secondary alkyl halides always undergo substitution as well as elimination. Simultaneously. With a strong base nucleophile SN2E2, with weak base poor base SN1E1. That means this is great lesson. Strong nucleophile oblique base, they will show what? They will show SN2E2 both, and with poor or weak nucleophile oblique base, they will always show SN1 and E1. Let me have a sip of water, but first see this one. You got it or not? Let me see in the chat section, everyone, just to let me know you got it or not. It's really awesome or not, kids? Don number 1 conversion I will give you, but first of all, do let me know everyone got it or not. This story, this thing, everyone, is it clear? Thank you, Jyoti Jain. Thank you, kids, for liking, giving me this much of respect. To Baba HSP. Yeah, now, see everyone. Let me give you fifth reaction. Fifth reaction is, see the fifth reaction, kids, and you have to tell me what type of product it will form. Fifth reaction. After this, I will give you a number of other tricks. I will not write anything. You have to tell me what type of reaction it will show, kids. I will sit and wait for your answer. Yes, everyone, if the concept clarity is there, you can tell me the answer. Let me see what answer. Kids, your answer is coming wrong. Yeah, somebody is giving correct answer. Real Winter, your answer is right. Manoj Kumar, your answer is wrong. Rajnish, your answer is also wrong. Don number 1, your answer is also wrong. Oh my God, kids. Oh my God, kids, poor, very poor. Varshit answer is correct. Puram Govinda's answer is correct. Shubham, your answer is wrong. Now see, kids, see. 3-degree alkyl halide. If I show you 3-degree alkyl halide, just see. Just see this chart. 3-degree alkyl halide want to show what type of reaction. This is 3-degree alkyl halide and it is having equal tendency for E2, SN1, E1. Can you see this is 3-degree alkyl halide? And it has got equal tendency for all these 3 reactions. So let me go back. 3-degree alkyl halide has got equal tendency for SN1, E1 and E2. But this is what? This is strong. This is strong. It has got tendency for SN2 and E2. What is common? What is common in between these two? SN2 is here but not here. So SN2 cancel out. E2 is there, E2 is here also. So let's give green signal to E2. It's only common. SN1, E1 is over here but not there. So it will get cancelled out. So only E2, only E2. And only E2 means only alkene. And only alkene means no ether, no ether. No ether means, that's why Williamson said, this is the only reason Williamson said, never take tertiary alkyl halide for ether preparation. If you know chemistry, then Williamson's synthesis of ether says, never take 3-degree alkyl halide for ether preparation. Am I right or wrong, kids? Do let me know in the chat section. That's why, yeah, Shubham, you are right. That's why Williamson says, let me write down this note. If you know organic chemistry, you will understand what Baba is saying, what Baba is talking about. That's why Williamson says, never take tertiary alkyl halide. Never take tertiary alkyl halide for what? Williamson says never take tertiary oh my God. Never take tertiary alkyl halide for ether preparation. Am I right, kids? Can you see? Williamson says never take tertiary. I have written tertiary twice. Tertiary alkyl halide for ether preparation. Right, kids? Is it clear? Is it clear? Now I am going to give you trick for ozonolysis. Or should I give you trick? Yeah, first I will give you trick for ozonolysis, right? This is clear, done and dusted. Now second one, trick for ozonolysis, and then I will give you question, okay? Ozonolysis trick. Ozonolysis trick. Ozonolysis. Okay, ozonolysis trick. I'm going to give you ozonolysis trick. Everyone ready for this? Just see and then do let me know that you are able to do the questions or not. Suppose if I am having R1, R2, C double bond C, R3, R4. there is one double bond, and this is olefinic bond. Now somebody is writing question like this: O3, zinc and water. This is known as reductive ozonolysis. Reductive ozonolysis, right kids? Everyone, is it clear? Now how to answer it speedily? This is sigma bond, one is sigma, one is pi. Just break both sigma and pi. Cut, kit. I'm going to break the bond. Bond has broken up sharp. It's breaking from here. Now broken bond. So what is left? C R1 R2. Bond has broken. Once the bond has broken, kids, if you break bond, whatever you are having, bread, chapati, idli, dosa, sambar, whatever you are having, once the bond is broken up, who will occupy the space? So only oxygen is going to occupy the space. Breaking bond, put oxygen. This is your product. Two products. If you want to go back, you can go back like this. Just twist them. Remove oxygen, you will get the answer. If you want to break the bond and like this, you will get the product. Got it? Should I give you question? Only this much. This much is very simple. Show me green hearts if you got this much, then I will give you question. Just see, it's very simple. It's very simple, kids. Just see to it. Kids, do let me know. Is it clear? Thank you, Jyoti Jain. Prajwal Reddy, thank you. Okay, now I'm going to give you question. I'm going to give you question if you're really able to understand. Just see. CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH3. Just to let me know what should be the answer. O3, zinc and water. If you are able to understand. First question, second question, third question. Three questions I have given you, kids. Three questions I have given you, kids. The answer to first one, just break this bond, you will get the answer that 2 moles of CH3, CH double bond O. Here, bond will break from this place. 2 moles of HCHO, that is formaldehyde. In this, the bond will break like this. 2 moles of acetone. Kids, do let me know. It is simple. All the three reactions are simple. First, second, third. All three. If you got it, then I will increase the level. I will increase the level. I will level up, kids. If it is, oh my God, you have written the answer. Okay, now let me give you tough question. Now let me give you a little bit tougher question. Okay, just see. Fourth one, benzene. How many ozone molecules will attack on benzene? In case of this benzene, O3, zinc and water. What should be the product? Now see how to do this question, kids. How to do it. Just see. Just break the bond. Breaking bond from here, breaking bond from here, breaking bond from here. Can you get the answer, kids? Can you find out? So the answer is 3 moles of CH double bond O, CH double bond O, 3 moles. This is known as glyoxyl. What? Glyoxyl. Got it? Is this your answer? Then I will label up. If you got it, then I will label up. Now see the fourth one. Everyone got it or not? First of all, do let me know you got it or not. Everyone just do let me know you got it or not. Now, next question is, if I write down orthoxylene, this is very fantastic question. Orthoxylene on reductive ozonolysis, that is reaction with O3, zinc and water. Question is, how many types of carbonyl group? How many types of carbonyl group? Orthoxylene will give you how many types of carbonyl group? I want to see answer in the chat section, kids. Yeah, Surya, yes, I will. So that everyone can answer speedily, I will increase. Even I want to increase. Three. Jyoti Jain is going for 3. Nava Yuga is also going for 3. Okay. Okay, let me check it out how to get the answer, kids. Just see. Orthoxylene. Just remember, orthoxylene. Which one is orthoxylene? Just do let me know. Is this one is orthoxylene? Or the second one is orthoxylene? Everyone, help me out. Which one is orthoxylene? The X one is orthoxylene or the Y one is orthoxylene? X or Y, which one is orthoxylene? Both are being orthoxylene because of resonance. So just see from where to break the bond. Here the bond will break from here, kids. Here, here and here. And this here, here and from here. Can you see, kids? Now see how to write down the product. It's not easy job, kids. If the bond is broken from here, this will remain intact. This bond will remain intact. So you will get CH double bond O, CH3 double bond O. This one molecule you will get. You will get this one molecule and one more molecule. That means 2 molecules of this you will get. And when you will get here CH double bond O and CH double bond O. My dear friends, it's not that easy. The examiner can even ask, what's the name of these products? The examiner is interested in names also. See, this is glyoxyl, right? No problem in glyoxyl. But in the glyoxyl, methyl is extra, so its name is methyl glyoxyl. I hope this is clear. Now here the bond will break and these two will remain intact and you will get one new product, and the name of this is CH3 C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3 plus 2 moles of glyoxyl. So this one is new and its name is dimethyl glyoxyl. Dimethyl glyoxyl. I hope that everyone got it, and 3 types of product, 1, 2 and 3. So 3 is the correct answer. How many of you are able to understand? Do let me know in the chat section, kids. I want to see the answer from your side, my dear friends. Everyone, just do let me know. Very good, very good, very good. That's really awesome. Thank you, Jyoti Jain. Thank you, Don number 1. Everyone, thank you, thank you. Now see, kids, how the question will come once you are able to understand reductive ozonolysis, how the question will be formed on aldol condensation and Cannizzaro reaction. See, questions you will get in your examination based on, these are the majority of the questions. They are based on what? They are based on ozonolysis plus either aldol condensation or Cannizzaro reaction. So how many of you are interested in giving answers to this question? Answers of these questions. How many of you are ready, kids? How many of you are ready, kids? It's not looking good, kids. Let me make it clear so that it should be very clear to your eyes, kids. Now I think it will be good. Ozone, oh my God. Ozonolysis plus aldol condensation or Cannizzaro, right? Okay, kids. See the question number 1. They will give you question like this. First question. It's like this. OH concentrated H2SO4 heat a reductive ozonolysis O3 zinc and water, B dilute NaOH and heat, C. Now the question is, what is C? Just try it out, kids, and then I will write down the answer just in 1 minute. Everyone just try it out. Let me check it out. Doctor's journey, it's 200, like number of questions you are solving. We don't know what type of question you can get. So if you try questions, then 50 into 4, so 200. They are not saying that in exam you will get 200. Right now you can prepare for 200, right? Now, everyone, Jyoti Jain is writing cinemaldehyde. Okay. Try it out, then I will write down the product. Just try it out. Try it out, then I will tell you, kids. Okay. Kids, your answers are coming wrong. Maximum people are getting wrong answer. Let me tell you what should be the correct answer. Just see. This is alcohol concentrated H2SO4. So dehydration will take place. Am I right? Am I right or not? Dehydration will take place. So OH from there and H from here will eliminate out. So this negative and this positive, they will form a bond. Cyclohexene. So your A is cyclohexene. Then reductive ozonolysis bond will break from here. Am I right? Once the bond is breaking from here, you will get CH double bond O. CH double bond O and 4 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. Now intramolecular aldol condensation will take place. Now, how to do the intramolecular aldol condensation? How many of you want to know that trick? Show me green hearts if you are interested in trick for intramolecular aldol condensation. How many of you are interested? Just to let me know with the green hearts, then I will tell you the trick for intramolecular aldol condensation. No green hearts, then I will not let you know. This is the reactant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. So see, write it down like this, 6 carbons. See how many carbons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbons. Just remove water. Just remove water from alpha hydrogen. See, this is CHO and these hydrogens are attached on sp3 hybridized carbons. So 2 acidic alpha hydrogens. These are 2 acidic alpha hydrogen atoms. Just remove water from here. Just remove water from here, kids, and form the bond. Form the bond. These two are same. This and that is being same. Form the bond like this. See how? This CHO will remain over there. This bond formation will take place. Just see this bond, double bond. See, double bond. Now it is alpha beta unsaturated. Answer is yes. This is alpha, this is beta. The ring, remember that ring formation must be of 6, 5 or 7 membered, neither less than 6 or neither less than 5 nor more than 7. So see, this is alpha beta unsaturated and this is known as aldol condensation product. Aldol condensation product. You got it? If everyone is able to understand, show me some fire so that I will counting stars. Thank you. Give me so that I can give you another question. Another question. If you got it, really got it, kids. If you really got it. Now this time, aldol plus Cannizzaro or aldol ozonolysis plus one more aldol. Ozonolysis plus one more aldol. What do you want? Ozonolysis plus aldol. Okay. See what I'm giving you. I'm going to give you now those who are intelligent, they can find out what is being C. I want to see your answer in the chat. Those who are really intelligent, they can get what's the answer. So see, you must have got the answer, kids, and if you have really got it, just see this carbocation will get formed, and the carbocation once got formed, always think about what? Always think about rearrangement. So this ring expansion will take place. This bond will break from here. This will positive and this will become negative, and ring expansion will take place. So after ring expansion, it will get plus charge and proton will get eliminated from here. So negative and positive you will get this cyclohexene, and now you know the story very well. Cyclohexene will show reductive ozonolysis, CHO, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, and then the same product you are going to get the one which I have already formed. Got it? This is your answer. How many of you got it? If yes, show me green hearts. Let me have a sip of water. Meanwhile, kids, got it? Now, let me show you another question. Just see to it. Everyone, just see to it. I'm going to give you another question, everyone. Now, if I give you this question like this, here is this one, O3, zinc and water is giving A is reacting with dilute NaOH and heat B. What is your B, kids? What will you get B? So just think over it. In 30 seconds, I will give you the answer. Let me see in the chat section what's your analysis. Thank you, Jyoti Jain, Akshay Nair. I don't know part 3, but yeah, right now you can enjoy Kids, do let me know what answer. Now let's see how to proceed. See, this will undergo ozonolysis from here. Now what is A? Your A will be like this. The bond has broken from here. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. This will give you double bond over here. CH3, and this will give you like this. Now kids, number of possibilities are there. This is carbonyl, this can react with this. This is carbonyl, and this can react with that, and this can react with this. How many possibilities are there? Two types of carbonyl groups. First of all, who is more reactive? So he will ask major products. So aldehydes are more reactive because this is being aldehyde, kids, and aldehydes are more reactive. Now this aldehyde can react either on this alpha hydrogen or this alpha hydrogen. Now kids, see, if it is going to react over here, how many membered ring is going to get formed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 membered ring. And if it is going to react over there, how many membered ring? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then which ring is being more stable? So remember, 6 membered ring, then 5 membered ring, then 7 membered ring. So which will be major? First of all, do let me know which one will be major. Then 5 membered ring will be major. So let me draw it, kids. How to make it out, just see. Hydrogens, water will eliminate out, so product will be, just see everyone, if you are not able to understand, do let me know. I will write down again this, and if it is clear, then show me green hearts. Don't forget to show green hearts. So let me check it out. Alpha, beta. This is alpha, this is beta. Unsaturated. How many carbons? 6, 7. So 5 to 7. This is your answer. Let me check it out in the chat section that this question was really awesome. Just to let me know, kids, how many of you got it? Everyone, just to let me know, kids. Awesome. Done number 1. That's really awesome. Now, let me give you one question that is including maximum of the reagent and maximum of the reagent and maximum of reactions, right? Thank you, Kunesia. Thank you. Now, I'm going to give you the best question. Today's best question, right? Just see to it. You will really enjoy it. The conversion, this is known as conversion. And let me check it out. If you are able to do this question, then you can feel that you are really awesome. You are really awesome, right? Let's see from where to where I will go. So anyone, give me the first chemical compound. I will start from that chemical compound. Let me see in the chat section, whatever the chemical compound you are going to give me, I will start from that. Write down. Everyone, formaldehyde. Prajwal Reddy has written formaldehyde. So I will start with formaldehyde. H, C double bond O. This is the starting point. I'm going to start with formaldehyde. Formaldehyde has been treated with methyl, magnesium, bromide, zinc and water. Kids, I know that everyone cannot do this question, but those who are able to do this question, their revision, their organic chemistry is perfect, right? Is giving out A has been treated with PCC. Earlier lecture I have told you what is PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate, giving out B. It has given B. Now, B is treated with methyl magnesium bromide, once again, zinc and water. It has given out C. C is treated with KMNO4, acidic medium, given out D. D is treated with methyl magnesium bromide, zinc and water, given out E. Now E has been treated with copper 573 Kelvin, given out formaldehyde plus F. Now F has been treated with concentrated H2SO4, given out G. G is undergoing ozonolysis, O3, zinc and water. This is reductive ozonolysis, given out H. H has been treated with zinc amalgam, HCl, given out I. Now what is this I, kids? That I want to know. What is this I? And your time starts now. Tell me what is this I. Ready? I'm waiting for an answer. Let's see who can answer it. Jyoti Jain is saying propene. Let me check it out, kids. Methanol and acetone, benzaldehyde. Let me check it out. Who will give the correct answer, kids? Who is going to give the correct answer for this question? Grignard reagent 3 times has been used. But I am waiting for your answer, kids. And kids, those who are new, just hit the like button, kids. Smash the like button. Your likes, your answers, everything means a lot to me, kids. Really means a lot to me. Lingus is saying butane. Number of people, number of answers. That means this question is really awesome question, kids. Should I tell you? Should I let you know, kids? Do let me know. Should I tell you, kids? Okay, I am going to explain because number of people, they are getting different answers. Okay, see, kids, how to do this question. Just see. This is formaldehyde, and formaldehyde on reaction with the Grignard reagent. Formaldehyde on reaction, any aldehyde ketone on reaction with Grignard reagent, how it will react. See, first of all, see how it will react. If you are having any aldehyde or ketone, how it will react with Grignard region. Just see, everyone just see. R dash MgX zinc and water. Just see the trick. I am going to tell you the trick. Are you ready? Baba HSP's trick. This is my trick. HSP Baba's tricks. See, what are you supposed to do? See, just see. This is your carbonyl carbon having positive charge, and that is Grignard reagent. That means R is attached with metal, so R is negative. Just form the bond like this. This bond you have to form. Okay, this R dash will come and form a bond with carbon new bond formation, because Grignard reagent is always organometallic compound kids, right? So what you will get? You will get like this: C, R, R, and that R. This R. And this oxygen is like this only. Just attach one hydrogen to this, This is all. This is all. Got it? Nothing you have to do. This is your reactant on carbon. Add Grignard reagents R and oxygen with H. That's it. First of all, do let me know this trick you are able to understand. Then only you can do the question. Everyone just do let me know. Everyone just do let me know this is clear. Now see, let me tell you, let me teach you this trick, then only I can go back to this question. Let me teach you this trick. Let me make comfortable with this trick, then only you can go back to that question. See this trick. Everyone just see the trick. If I write down H, C double bond O, C H3 MgBr, zinc and water. Now see, this is your carbonyl group. What I have told you, this is R part. Add it over there. What will you get? Tell me, what will you get? H, C. Now O, what you are supposed to add on O? You have to add H, and this R will be over here. This is your answer. I hope everyone is able to understand. That means formaldehyde will always give you 1 degree alcohol. Formaldehyde will always give you primary alcohol. Whatever the Grignard reagent, irrespective of Grignard reagent, formaldehyde will always produce what? Formaldehyde will always produce primary alcohol. Let me tell you, see, if you take any Grignard reagent, is irrespective of the Grignard reagent, just see, whatever the Grignard reagent you want to take, you can take. See, phenyl magnesium bromide. If I take phenyl magnesium bromide, zinc and water, just see what I have told you. Keep it like this only. H, C, O. This is the molecule. The bond, this pi bond has broken, right? So what you're supposed to, this is delta positive, this is delta negative, and this is being delta negative. That R part you have to add over here. C6H5, am I right? And to O you add H. Once again, primary alcohol. This is benzyl alcohol, 1 degree alcohol. Now you will say, sir, any other question? Just see, anything you want to say. Suppose if I take other than formaldehyde, any aldehyde of this world, any aldehyde other than formaldehyde, if I take any aldehyde Grignard reagent. Now see kids, once again you see to it, this is positive, so this negative part, R part will come over here, so the answer is this will remain same. CO to O, what you're supposed to add? H, and here write that part. So always you will get secondary alcohol. Now all ketones will give tertiary alcohol. Suppose this ketone you have taken. Now any Grignard reagent, words any Grignard reagent, if you take any Grignard reagent, then see what you will get. This will remain same as like this. This will remain same. Now to oxygen, what you're supposed to add? I have told you H, and here the Grignard reagents R part. Always you will get tertiary alcohol. Once you got this trick, show me green heart so that I can go back to the original question to tell you, to explain you each and everything. Everyone just to let me know if this is clear so that I can go back to the same question to explain each and everything, my dear students. Hey everyone, why are you taking so much time to reply anything? Yeah, that's really awesome. So let me go back to the original question, okay? Okay, see to it. Everyone just see to it. See to it. This was your original question, my dear friends. Here is the original question. So this is your formaldehyde. Just see and focus. This is carbonyl part and this is R part. It will come over here. Now easily you can form the product. Product will be H, H, C, O, H, CH3. Now it has become easy or not? This you called as ethyl alcohol, and ethyl alcohol PCC is mild oxidizing agent. PCC is mild oxidizing agent, so you will get acetaldehyde. Now once again you got aldehyde, Grignard reagent aldehyde. Now you can easily frame out the answer. Let me see in the chat what you kids are writing. Door number 1, very good. Jyoti, very good. Everyone kids, really awesome, really awesome. You are loving child. Good kids, good. Now see. Now this is carbonyl. This is your carbonyl positive and this is being negative. So R part, negative part will go to that. So what will you get? CH3, CHO. Now to O, what you are supposed to add? H, and here the Grignard reagents, this part, isopropyl alcohol, 2-degree alcohol. Now this is SOA, strong oxidizing agent. Form ketone. How it will form ketone? This H will go from here and this H from here. You will get acetone. Now once you got acetone, once again ketone and Grignard reagent, what you're supposed to do? This is delta positive. This R part will go over there. CH3, CH3, now COH, and this carbon, what you are supposed to add? You will add CH3. Now tertiary alcohol, on reaction with copper, remember that dehydration will take place. Why dehydration will take place? Because there is OH and there is no H. So dehydration, one formaldehyde, another one isobutylene you will get. What will you get? Isobutylene you will get CH3, CH3, double bond CH2. Now there is mistake, I think something. So isobutylene, after isobutylene, ozonolysis, oh ho ho, this is wrong because isobutylene, then ozonolysis is missing. After this, there would have been O3, zinc and water. Kids, it's not your mistake. This reagent is missing. This reagent was missing. I'm extremely sorry for this. This reagent would have given, and this reagent will do ozonolysis. Not only we will get formaldehyde and acetone. So this F is being acetone, kids. This F is being acetone. So one reagent was missing. First, let me see in the chat. This F is acetone. This was missing. So it's not your mistake. Those who have got wrong answer, that was not, yeah, don number 1. So I have to say sorry, because once if I have done some mistake, one reagent was missing, kids, right? Jyoti Jain, thank you. Thank you. So one reagent was missing, kids, right? Now you will get acetone. This one is acetone. G is acetone. Now G is acetone and concentrated H2SO4. So aldol condensation in acidic medium will take place. Aldol condensation in acidic medium will take place. So you will get macetylene. What will you get? You will get macetylene, and macetylene on ozonolysis, the bonds will break from here. You will get CH3, C double bond O, CH double bond O, C CH3, C double bond O, CH. CH double bond O. Now Clemenson's reduction will do reduction of this aldehyde and this ketone. So propane is the answer. Now if you really liked it, show me green hearts. If you want one more question like this, green hearts and some fire. I want to see green hearts and some fire. If you're really liking it, kids. Counting stars. Yeah, Jyoti Jain, that's really fantastic. Don number 1, that's really fantastic. Do let me know, kids. You want one more question based on conversion? If yes, do let me know. Just after 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to stop this. Rest of the things, if you're really liking it, I want to see green hearts along with fire, then I will give you question and smash the like button. Smashing of like buttons is required. Now see another one. Now tell me any chemical. I will start with that chemical. Who is going to tell me the first chemical? I will start. CH4. Don number set. Start with CH4. So I will start with CH4. What is I? I'm interested in I, kids. Do it. I'm waiting for your answer. What is I? Yeah, counting stars. Let me know what is. Oh my god. Don number 1 has done it, solved it. What should I say, kids? Don number is really number 1, going to be number 1. Jyoti Jain, Don number 1. Both have given the correct answer, kids. How they are making it, kids? Thank you, Asil Mustafa. You kids are responsible for this energy. You kids are the reason for my energy, kids. You kids. Now let me solve it, kids. You are solving. How you are solving so fast? Don number 1 and Jyoti. Kushiga. Now let's see. Methane, FRSR, free radical substitution reaction, methyl chloride, right? Am I right, kids? What's reaction? Not what's Khalifa, it's what's reaction. Doubling of, so C2H6, once again free radical substitution reaction, ethyl chloride. Now KOH, alcoholic elimination. Ethane. Now bromine, bromination, reddish brown color of bromine will get decolorized. Alcoholic KOH, vinyl bromide. NaNH2 sodamide, this is known as sodamide. Acetylene. First enol, then tautomerize to give acetaldehyde. Now aldol condensation to give crotonaldehyde. Now I will give you a little bit tougher question so that these two kids cannot solve. Don number 1 and Jyoti Jain, okay? Should I? Don number 1, what's your request? Batao beta. Just to let me know. Gautam Sri, Harindra H, HSP Sri, Baba, next class OMDM and HBO. Okay, real winter. Done number 1. What's thank you Jyoti Jain. It's not because of me, it's your hard work. एक कराओ सर easy. नहीं. Gautam Sri Harindra. Yeah, Gautam, I remember. Gautam, you are in the batch also, na? Dream Crash Course batch, right? Now let me give you one very good. Okay, easy one. Okay, let me give you first easy one, right? So see, calcium carbide, water, giving out A, reacting with NaNH2 excess, giving out B. That B is treated with methyl chloride excess, giving out C. C is treated with H2PDC, giving out D. This reacts with O3, zinc and water, giving out E. Now E reacts with hydrogen cyanide, F, H3O plus, G. What is G? Let me see in the chat section what's being G. This is easy question. Ezekiel, friends forever, thank you. Let me check it out whether you people are going to give the answer, correct answer or not. And those who are new, please hit the like button, kids. Just 4 or 5 minutes more. 4 to 5 minutes more. No one has given the answer now. You are getting late, kids. No one till now. Still I am waiting for the answer, kids. Friends forever. Everyone just to let me know what's your answer. Can't figure out Lingesh. I'm waiting for others. Let's see whether they are able to decode it or not. Kids, Baba HSP is waiting for you, your answer. So, should I solve it, kids? Should I solve it? Shrikar Teja is saying CHO. Should I tell you, kids? Yes, okay, Real Winter. As Real Winter has requested, that's why I'm solving it. Just see, this is calcium carbide. If you see, calcium carbide is like this. Calcium is forming ionic bond with carbon. This is calcium carbide. So delta negative, right? So water will come like this, HOH, HOH. Now this will form what? It will form acetylene. Can you see acetylene formation, everyone? CH triple bond CH. Now, oh, this is, yeah, once again, it's not your fault. Yeah, it's right. It's right. I thought that it's wrong. Now, this is having 2 acidic hydrogens and this is base. So NH2 negative, 2 NH2 negative will come over here and they will take out these protons, right? They will take out these two protons. Now you will get Na C triple bond C Na. Now methyl will react methyl chloride, sodium chloride will eliminate out. So you will get CH3, C triple bond C, CH3 butene. Now butene on reaction with Lindlar's catalyst. This is your Lindlar's catalyst, am I right? This is given in your NCERT. Otherwise, if you go in detail, it's H2PD, barium sulfate, charcoal, boiling xylene, like that, quinoline. But NCERT only H2PDC is given, right? In your NCERT, only this much is mentioned. Remember that it's not necessary that your examiner is going to give you H2PD, barium sulfate, charcoal like that. It's not necessary. Now, you will get cis-butene. But they are not interested in asking the stereochemistry. Ozonolysis, you will get 2 moles of acetaldehyde. Now, if you have studied aldehyde and ketone chapter, cyanohydrin, acetaldehyde, cyanohydrin, and that on this 50% dextro and levo mixture. So, dextro and levo 50% mixture of lactic acid, you will get CH3, CHOH, COOH, racemic mixture of lactic acid. Very, very important compound, lactic acid, you know, present in milk or curd. I don't know that, I don't know, but yeah, lactic acid, you know. So, very famous compound, kids. एक और Don number is saying one more. Kids, how many of you interested one more? And from which compound should I start if one more? Then from which compound should I start? Who will write down the first? I will start with that only. Okay, Jyoti Jain. Everyone show me green hearts if you are really interested. Glyoxyl. Jyoti Jain is saying glyoxyl. So let me write down from glyoxyl. On public demand, you are really getting benefited. That means this is the best revision. It's the best revision, kids. Glyoxyl. So on public demand, I am going to start with the glyoxyl. This is glyoxyl, okay? Hydrazine, KOH, ethylene glycol, giving out A. A reacted with Cl2 450 degrees Celsius, giving out B. B reacted with benzene plus anhydrous AlCl3, giving out C. C reacted with KMnO4, KOH, heat, given D. D is treated with ammonia, strong heat, given out E. E has treated with KOBr, given out F. F being treated with NaNO2, HCl, ice cold solution, given out G. G has been treated with H3 PO2 given out H. H has been treated with O3 zinc and water given out I. Now you are to find out what is I. What is I? Let me sit in front of screen and let me check who is going to give the answer. What is I? It's very soon it is going to get started. Maharaja, very soon. Dawn number 1, Varshit, Jyoti Jain, everyone correct. My God, kids. Now you find out any other teacher, because now I too can't teach, kids. You are very, very good now in chemistry. Now just try to find out any other teacher. No, kids. I can't teach you. You have become genius. Now you are better than Baba HSP. You have become genius, kids. Congratulations. Really, I'm feeling stupendous. With your stupendous performance, I'm feeling accomplished. Gunashree, very soon. Gunashree, very soon. But kids, so much smarter you have become. I can't appreciate you. I have no words. But is everyone has become smarter? Varshit has given the answer. Jyoti Jain has given the answer. Dawn number 1, so fast. Kids, what to say? Everyone show green hearts and fire for yourself. For yourself. And now, kids, before I explain it, do let me know if you would have been the part of this batch. What to say, kids? If you would have been the part of this batch, what should I say? What I have felt and what I would like to say that you have really got the first, second rank. So, still there is chance you can help your friends, your relatives. They can join this batch. Kids, your young people means what to say? Your juniors. Kids, such a great batch. Just to apply code HSP10. Which code, kids? HSP10, and this batch will be yours. But remember that tonight this offer is going to get entered. Just this offer is valid for few hours, and this batch is available just for rupees 4,499. The students going to class 11th appeared for class 11, those who have given the paper of class 10th, for those students there is Nimbus batch, class 11th students, Nimbus batch, class 12th, Nexus batch, NEET IIT, whatever the preparation they are doing, kids, it's going. And these 4 teachers, they are teaching in pure English. And if anyone is not in need of pure English, they can join English batch. The same HSP10 code is valid. The same, kids, same HSP10 code is valid over here also. If they want to prepare in English, and if there is anyone by chance want to prepare in Hindi also, they can go through with that batch, kids. Now, anyways, let me come back to the question and let me explain, because those who are unable to understand the answer, how many of you want to see the explanation of this question? How many of you want this? I think this might be the last question. Yeah, friends forever is asking, sir. Last question ka answer kara do. Okay, that I was asking. Now, see the explanation of this question, kids. Just see to it. Glyoxyl, this is known as Wolff-Kishner reduction. Which reaction? Wolff-Kishner reduction. Wolff-Kishner reduction. So you will get ethane, CH3, CH3. This O and O will go hydrocarbon, CH3, CH3. Now this is free radical substitution. Either photochemically you can do or thermally. This is thermally free radical substitution reaction. You will get ethyl chloride, CH3, CH2Cl. Now this is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Do you remember? Friedel-Crafts alkylation. You will get ethyl benzene, right? Now kids, ethyl benzene side chain oxidation. This is known as side chain oxidation. You will get benzoic acid. Now benzoic acid on reaction with ammonia and heat, you will get benzamide. Now this benzamide have Hofmann bromamide degradation. It could also be given like Br2KOH. Happy birthday reaction, I call it Hofmann bromamide degradation. Bromamide degradation. You will get aniline, kids. Now aniline diazotization. Benzene diazoxide chloride, I call it BDC, my kids call it BDC, benzene, and this is a redox reaction. The name of this chemical compound is phosphinic acid. Remember that, they will ask you. This is journal name, phosphinic acid, because if you go to the IUPAC name, it is us, hypophosphorus. Here phosphinic acid, you will get benzene, and benzene once again ozonolysis, 3 moles of glyoxyl. Now this is sufficient for today. Do let me know in the chat section if you are happy with this. Everyone just do let me know. Now for today this much is okay. All right. So bye to all of you kids. This is all for today. Good night. God bless you kids. May Almighty God help you with all happiness and prosperity. Do your revision like this. Today I'm really feeling myself to be the happiest person on this earth. With your stupendous performance, your HSP Sir is feeling fully accomplished. Really, you have done a great job. Kids are giving answer immediately, and that's a fantastic thing. So let's crack it, kids. Bye to all of you. Good night. Good night. And remember that, don't forget to share it with people, kids. This one, kids. This one, where? This batch, don't forget, HSP 10 available just for 4,499, and today, yes, this just few hours are left. Now my dear student, one more thing is there, which I can see over here. It's gone, kids. Yeah. Join NCERT Crux test series for NEET UG. Nazim sir is there, and it is available just for rupees 799. Okay, kids. So let me come back. What we have gone through, kids. Today's most exciting and the superb story. We cannot forget this story. This is $1 million story. And this has changed your world, right? You can do any question of haloalkanes, that is alkyl halides, and you can reach to ether. You can go to alkene. Alkene is in a hydrocarbon. Ether is in ether chapter class 12th. Alkene is in hydrocarbon class 11th. And haloalkanes, haloarenes, they are itself the first chapter of class 12. So many chapters are getting connected with this memory chart, mind map. Bye kids, bye, bye, good night. Don number 1, your name is Santi Moe Mandal. Okay. First part already shared. Already you can get it on Telegram. Already it's been shared. This is also I'm going to share right now. Okay. Santi Moe. Okay, I will remember Santi Moe. Okay. Don number 1. Santi Moe. Okay. Bye. Bye kids. Bye to all of you.